Hi, I just wanted to create this quick video. I've gotten a few emails about discussion board. I had sent out emails to a few people just mentioning that it'll be later in the week, which is now. Unfortunately, this is the only time I've had all week to kind of set up and set the discussion boards up. So you're going to have from now until next Sunday, so a week from Sunday, to complete the discussion boards. There's two questions. You're going to see them. I'm going to show you guys quickly how to get there. What you're going to see here is this is the main page when you come in. A little bit of uh, course information. If you click course information, I've had a few questions about the textbook. I had another video where I talked a lot about the course and how to navigate it, so please watch that video if you haven't already. But I just want to show you guys a little bit about the textbook and about the course, where you're going to find the course outline and appendix. So quick little links there. But again, there's another video that kind of goes into detail about that. The main thing I want to show you guys is the discussion board. So if you just click the discussion board link here, I know there's other links to it in your actual weekly modules, but if you go and you click the discussion board link on the side, it'll take you to all the discussion forums. So discussion forum 1 is what we're on, and I see that people have, in absence of me posting a question, people have started to answer questions about, a little bit about themselves, why they took the course, which is great. Because what I want you to do is, as you see, find my name, and sometimes it logs you into the page 2. You just have to click the back page, so you want to be on page 1, and you're going to see question 1 and question 2. What I'd like you to do is answer the questions inside the link. So just like that, and then all you do is you click reply, and then you're going to get your little box, and you can just type your reply. And then everybody can just keep replying, and it'll be on question 1 will be on this thread right here. So if we just go back page, we go back out to the discussion board, and then we click question 2. Same idea. There's a question there. The first one's more just about why you're taking this course, a little bit about yourself. And then again, hit reply and answer the question. This one, what I'm looking for, just so you know, if you take a look, I'm looking for information that's going to be out of your text. I'm going to be looking for you to engage with your text. Another thing that's key is that you need to comment on at least one other person's posts. Now, if you have already posted in the discussion board, as I saw some people had, a little bit of brief thing about themselves and why they're here, you can do one of two things. You can cut and paste your response into this thread here, question 1 thread, or you can just leave it. I will find it. It just won't be organized in that thread for other people to comment on, but I'm okay with that. So either way, whichever you prefer. If you haven't made or commented on that, because again, I know some people are just doing it on their own, please enter that in, because that's going to be part of your discussion mark, and that will be, again, you'll have 1 week from Sunday to complete that. I'll be going through, I always go through often Thursday or Friday nights, as well as Tuesday night are kind of the nights that I log on and check things out and look through. What I'm looking to see, though, is I am looking to see that people have logged on a few times. I can see all the times you log on. I can see the posts when you make them. And so I am looking for people to log on a couple of times a night. I'm going to do a video in a week or two just talking about maybe how to structure your time in the course, because sometimes people do get a little confused with an online course and think that because it's an online course, it actually doesn't require near as much as a regular course. But an online course, if you think about being in class for, a class being 3 hours, if you invest 3 hours in your online class, that is kind of what we're looking for. Normally, though, in class, you do have to invest the 3 hours plus homework. For the most part here, I think you can probably, depending on how you time manage, could probably get away with 3 hours. But what I do recommend people is that they break it into chunks. And so they set up, 2 or 3 nights a week where they just invest an hour or a half hour. I mean, you can do it all in 1 hour or one setting in 3 hours. The problem is it really doesn't allow for a lot of discussion forum engagement. And I'll talk about that as we go through the semester. So yeah, I mean, welcome to online learning. Please feel free to email me any questions you have. I do my best to return emails within 48 hours. I know for some people, I just did a bunch of emailing today. This week's been a little bit crazy coming back from holidays with my other job and with teaching. So it took me a little bit this week to get back, but for the most part, I will try my best to get back to you within 48 hours. And then lastly, I just wanted to again point out modules. So it kind of has the date for modules 1, modules 2. Module 1, that intro, and then module 2 again will be starting this Sunday. They kind of go Sundays, Sunday to Saturday nights. Or sorry, Monday to Sundays. I apologize for that. Mondays to Sundays. So that's kind of how the modules are set up. And each module kind of follows the week. So this is week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. You get the point. Anyways, that's it today. I just wanted to show discussion boards, how to do it. So again, go to your discussion board links. Click discussion form 1. If, though, you click guidelines, you're going to see the guidelines will come up in rubric and stuff like that for the discussion form. So if you want that, that's fine, but that's what you're going to get there. You actually need to click the discussion form 1 link. And when you click that, I want you to then click question 1 and question 2 and post your answers in those and reply to others and kind of engage each other in a conversation. And I've already seen people doing that. If we go through here, it's been going amazing, and you guys are really great self-starters, which I don't always get in the online. So great, and keep up the great work that you guys have already started, even with very little direction. So I'm really excited to see, with that kind of questions and direction that I've put in there now, to see where you guys go with it. So good luck and have fun, and I'll be communicating with everybody soon. Take care.